Hey guys, 828 Find Adventure. A while back, a company sent me this really nice, and I'm talking really nice, camping chair. Not only is it heavy duty, it's very well built. It's not super light for like long distance backpacking. It's more for car camping or, carrying to a festival or something like that. But it's an awesome chair. It's very strong and it holds a lot of weight. So, for the, bigger guy or whoever, this would work great. Well, this company, NJZ, they just sent me something else. It's a camping table, and I believe it holds up to 380 pounds, which is unbelievable. So let's open up this thing and check it out. Again, it's not super lightweight, but it is compact. Comes with a really nice case, which is like a, one of those dry sacks or whatever you take rafting. It's really heavy duty. So let's get my knife out, my new toy, and let's see what this is all about. Okay, what is this? That's nothing. Always be careful when you're using a sharp knife. And this thing is super sharp. You don't want to cut your truck or your clothes or your skin. All right. Isn't that a cool little gadget I got? All right. All right. So let's get this thing unpacked. Nothing else in the box. We'll just throw that right there. Let's check this out. Well, as you can see, it comes in this really nice case. NJZ. It's got a handle on it. You can carry it. Okay, we got the mic working. It fell off. I don't know what I was doing. So, anyways, you can see here, I'm about 6 foot tall. It's not that big. This is about 8 inches, maybe 7.5, 8 inches. This is about 2 feet. So there you go. It's still, you can still fit this in the back of a car, compact car, whatever, with the chair, a couple of chairs, because these chairs, are in this small little bag right here. So, so let's go ahead and open this up and see what it looks like. Again, this is a really nice case. So the first thing we're going to take out here, this is the tabletop. It does come with directions if you need that. It's always good to save them, just in case. Let's see what we got here. We have and this case is padded. I mean, it's really nice. Let me show you this. See the way it goes in there. These legs fit inside these sleeves, which are padded. So that's nice. Keeps everything from banging around and getting all stupid when you're driving. Okay, so here we have a couple of these. Put that on like that. Boy, I tell you, man, this winter weather we're getting is nutso. Being windy, it's cold. It's about 28 degrees out here right now. Blowing my directions all over the place. Okay. Here we got the last piece. These are the legs. Check that out. They have a strap that goes around them, Velcro. These are really nice. They have little spikes for the footing here. Is that the footing I'm looking at? No. This is the top that holds the pieces that will hold the actual tabletop. They look like stainless steel pins. I mean, I'm telling you, this is one of the nicest camping tables I've ever seen. And they say it's rated for 380 pounds. I mean, I don't know what you're going to be doing on it, but you can do whatever, I guess, whatever you want to do. Um, so, anyways, it has these big, thick rubber feet, has a strap here holding this all together. It kind of opens like a tripod. And then this is composite, real heavy duty composite. And let's see what we got here. Let's go ahead and open this up. This is the way I like to do things. Just do it. And I'll refer to the directions if I get stumped. But all right, look at that. It just popped open like, holy crap. Let's see here. Okay, so I'm going to fold that back down like that. So you see, I unstrapped it, and then look at this. There we go. There it is. Look at that. So then you will take these. I'm not sure they have any particular way to go, but we will just do them like that. When you attach these, it pulls everything away tight, really tight. So we're stuck here. There's a pin right down here on the bottom when you need to fold this up. That's what this is for. It's like a grenade pin. And then that helps you fold all this up. First, you will need to take these off the top, you know. Let me see how those come off. Just like that. All right. Don't want to scratch this up. I like to take care of things so they last a long time. Okay. So then, under here, need my knife again. Okay. And then you get this top. Look at this. You put these pins. I'll show you again. Look at this. Okay, so you have these two little locking levers here. I'm going to show you a little close-up of that. If you look at this right here, the way this goes, there's 4 of these. These fit down like this into that slot. Did you see the way that happened? It's like this. That right there goes into that slot right there. Let's look at that again. So we're going to go up here. We're going to turn this upside down. It's kind of difficult with one hand, but there we go. Let's go over here. There we go. That's not going anywhere. So let's turn it around here. Let's look at this. Again, that little lever right here, this little thing right here, goes into that slot. So there we go. You'll get it in, and then they'll just kind of dangle there, kind of like Forrest Gump used to do. All right. See here, I want to show you this up close. You can see this. This is the composite part. This is all metal. This is all. I'm not sure if that's aluminum or steel. Feels like steel. This thing isn't too heavy. There is the pull pin. When you want to fold it up, you just pull that, like I said, like a grenade. And you can see all the hardware is really nice. I mean, this is heavy duty. So, you know, it's a nice table. I mean, it's pretty big, pretty good size. You know, So let's put it on the ground and let's see how stable it is, and you can go from there. This is really nice. I mean, I guess you could sit on this. It seems really stable. I get up and stand on it, but I don't want to get it all dirty. Let's see. Let's see something here. What do you think? Now, the base on it is smaller, so you don't want to get too close to the edge, but it's holding my weight. Look at that. And see, I mean, it's not that heavy. I'm one-handing it, so, you know, pretty good. And like I said, here's their chair that I did before, and it just, you know, you can just do this. Check this out. Let me see here. Got that in, got that. Gotta get this. But there you have it. You got this table. You saw me standing on it. It's super heavy duty, super strong, made of aluminum composite and some steel. It folds up real small in a really high quality case, kind of like one of those dry sacks. You know, it's kind of a thick, I don't know if you've ever seen the North Face one. It's kind of a thick rubbery stuff that looks like what you make a raft out of. Anyways, this is what we got. And, you know, this is good stuff. I mean, it's not your cheap stuff, but of course, this is something that'll last a long time. You know, especially if you use it a lot, you go car camping, you go tailgating, whatever you do, this is going to last. Some of those others that are super lightweight, super cheap, they don't last. I've had them. The chairs break. They're not made for somebody over like 130 pounds. So, you know, think about that. They're okay for kids, but a lot of that camping furniture is not for like every weekend use. It'll just wear out. Kind of like buying a good bike. Anything under $1,000 is not going to be able to be ridden every day. So, you know, I wanted to share this with you and remind you of this chair. These are really good quality. And, you know, you should really look into this stuff. It's NJZ. You can pick it up on Amazon or buy it from their website. And, you know, I really like it. And I'll be using this a lot. So, hey, guys. Sorry, it's been a while since a video. I took a little vacation over Christmas. We had some family stuff go on, you know, with the pet and with one of our automobiles. And, you know, it's just been busy. And and now it's really cold. The weather has not been permitting. It's either too windy, too cold, raining, whatever. So anyhow, if you would like, share, and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. And, you know, stay tuned for my other videos. I've got I've got a bunch. I've got all kinds of stuff. I've got some seat jackers for the Tundra, and I've got just all kinds of things. And I got these nifty boots. I might do a video on them. These are 511s. I got picked these up for $50. And, you know, I didn't know what to expect. A lot of their shoes run narrow, but these are perfect. So I might do a video on these too. And they're comfy. So anyhow, NJZ, remember that name. NJZ, they sell some really high quality camping furniture for somebody that camps a lot. And I'm talking like somebody, a van lifer, somebody who does car camping or tailgating every weekend. You know, this is the stuff you want. It's great quality and it folds up small so it doesn't take up too much room. So anyways, that's all I got for you. Please subscribe and I will see you next time. See ya.
jack it up.